We're here today with this particular Redmi so we can effectively remove this screen password or unlock this device. This is the Redmi Note 8 smartphone model from the renowned Xiaomi brand. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. So we're going to show you how to remove this password by doing a hard reset. So the first thing you need to do is turn off the device. Let's turn off the phone now. After the device is turned off, we're going to press the volume up button and the power button together. When the image appears on the screen showing the name, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button. Once you reach this screen, go to the second option. Use the volume down button to go to the second option and confirm with the power button. And on this next screen, we confirm once again with the power button. Here we scroll down and go to the second option to confirm. At this point, the device is already being formatted. Alright, that password on its screen will soon be gone. On this screen we confirm, and on the next screen confirm once again. And here we're going to click on the first option as well, where it says Reboot System. And here the device is already being unlocked. It will come back without that lock screen password we showed at the beginning of the video. In just a moment it will actually turn on. It might take a little while here, so please be patient, but just wait patiently on this screen. Here it will indeed take a little while to fully load and become active. Let's wait. This one is the Redmi Note 8 from Xiaomi. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to ask you to subscribe and leave your like. So folks, that was today's video. If this video helped you, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. If you need anything, just send us a message and we'll be here to help and respond to you. Alright? Thanks. Take care.